Is Sumup better than others? If you run a small business, sell at markets, or offer services on the go, you've probably seen that small white card reader called Sumup. It's in cafes, barbershops, even in food trucks. It promises something simple: a fast, affordable, and stress-free way to accept card payments. But in 2026, with so many new payment options, is Sumup still the best choice? Let's take a closer look. Sumup was created to make card payments accessible for everyone, not just big stores or tech-savvy entrepreneurs. You buy the reader, download the app, link your bank account, and in a few minutes, you're ready to charge customers. No monthly fees, no contracts, no surprises. You only pay a small transaction fee per payment. The device itself feels solid, yet lightweight. It fits right in your pocket, connects via Bluetooth, and works with all major debit and credit cards, plus digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. For small businesses, that flexibility is gold. Now, let's talk about performance. Transactions are fast, usually processed within seconds. The app interface is clean and easy to understand, showing you detailed reports of your sales, daily income, and transaction history. It's perfect for small business owners who want simple analytics without getting lost in complicated dashboards. But what about fees? Sumup typically charges around 1.69% per transaction with no monthly fee. That makes it extremely competitive, especially compared to some alternatives that require subscriptions. It's a pay-as-you-go model that works perfectly for people who don't process large volumes of payments. However, it's not all perfect. Some users report that customer support can be slow to respond, especially during high-demand periods. And while payouts are usually quick, they can sometimes take 1 or 2 business days to reach your account. Not ideal if you need instant cash flow. Another limitation is that Sumup relies heavily on a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile signal drops, you might struggle to complete a payment. That's something to consider if you often work in remote or outdoor areas. Now, how does Sumup compare to other readers in 2026, like Square or Zettle? Square offers more advanced analytics and business tools, while Zettle has great integration with accounting apps. But both usually charge higher fees or have more complex setup processes. Sumup stays true to its biggest strength: simplicity. It's made for people who just want to get paid, fast, without needing a degree in finance or technology. In 2026, Sumup continues to innovate. Some regions now support virtual terminals, allowing you to accept payments online or send payment links through the app. And Sumup's ecosystem is growing. They even offer business accounts and invoicing tools, turning what used to be a basic card reader into a small business toolkit. So, after testing Sumup in different scenarios, cafes, street vendors, freelance gigs, the experience remains consistently smooth. It's not meant for large enterprises, but for small to medium businesses, freelancers, and independent sellers, it's one of the best solutions out there. Final verdict: Sumup remains one of the most reliable and user-friendly payment solutions in 2026. It's affordable, easy to use, and constantly improving. It might not have the most advanced features, but it does what matters most: helps you get paid fast and securely. If your goal is to keep payments simple and professional without extra hassle, Sumup is absolutely worth it in 2026.